Thinking of switching from Verizon to Walmart Family Mobile? Here's a breakdown. Walmart Family Mobile uses T-Mobile's 5G network, offering nationwide coverage and often lower prices. Network enhancements in early 2025 improved 5G speeds in rural areas, making it a solid alternative. The FCC's updated unlocking rules make it easier to unlock your Verizon phone, especially if purchased after April 2025. The switch involves three key steps: unlocking your Verizon phone, porting your number, and setting up the APN on your phone so that it connects to the network. Recent pricing adjustments include a $20 per month family plan so that you can save money on your phone bill amid inflation. Make sure to check device compatibility on Walmart's website. First, unlock your Verizon phone. Make sure it's fully paid off and not reported as lost or stolen. Request an unlock code through Verizon's website, app, or by calling customer service. For iPhones, you can use the built-in unlock option in your device settings. Next, port your number. Purchase a Walmart Family Mobile SIM kit online, then activate it. Use the Walmart app or website to submit a port request, providing your Verizon account details, including account number, PIN, and IMEI. The process typically takes 1 to 7 business days. Finally, set up your APN. After inserting the SIM card, access your phone's cellular settings. On iPhone, navigate to Cellular Data Options, then Cellular Network. On Android, go to Mobile Networks and select Access Point Names. Add a new APN with these specific details. Name should be Walmart Family Mobile, APN should be Wholesale, set MCC to 310 and MNC to 260. Leave the username and password fields blank. Save the new APN and set it as your default. Restart your phone to apply the changes. If you encounter connectivity problems, ensure roaming is enabled or configure MMS-specific APN settings for multimedia messages.